Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use this dual nozzle self-cleaning bidet. This is what it looks like inside the box. It comes with this plastic bidet system. It has a hose and it has all the hardwares you need, plus the valve that's needed to connect the existing toilet hose plus the bidet system. I find it pretty interesting and efficient as well. The price was only 30 bucks on Costco, and this is what it looks like on the picture. And that's the valve I was talking about that allows you to add this on your existing plumbing. All we have to do is take this hose off, but remember to turn off the water. And the tank was empty, so now I have no water pouring down. So this is how it goes. I'm installing the hose on it, on the valve. The plastic end where you see the plastic turning is right now plastic nut. Do not use any tools on that. With this one, however, I'm going to hand tighten it, and I'll give it a turn or two to make sure it's tight and snug. You don't want to overdo it. You might damage the gasket inside, or the O-ring that's inside. It might damage it. I just don't want to see any water leak. All right, that looks okay. Now we're gonna go inside the bathroom and install it. We're gonna make sure this black gasket is there. So that's how it looks like. If you could see, one hose goes to the water, another one is gonna come and connect to this bidet. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this video.